Hello guys, my name is Zarar and you are watching Cryblo. Here we will be discussing all about crypto and blockchain technology. I am going to start a series of cryptocurrency from basics to advanced level, and we will discuss about the technical analysis and fundamental analysis of the cryptocurrency. After the course, we will be doing live crypto trading, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that we could grow like a community. This is the first lecture of Basics of Cryptocurrency Guide. Let's get started. What is digital currency or cryptocurrency? It is a software which works as a medium of exchange and a payment transfer method through a computer network that is not reliant on any central authority such as a government or a bank to uphold or maintain it. Banks take responsibility to keep your funds safe, but they deduct a lot fees just to maintain your funds. Cryptocurrency makes you as your own bank. You have to manage and maintain your own funds by yourself. If you lost your account or transfer funds to another wallet in the world of internet, no one will be able to recover your funds. In short, you are the one who have to manage your own funds. No one can hack the cryptocurrency or gain access to your account until someone guesses your password and key phrases. All the wallets of cryptocurrency are decentralized and linked with a private key or a key phrase. If someone guessed these private keys were passwords, they can gain access to your wallet and transfer your funds. So be very careful about your funds and keep these passwords safe to 2 to 3 safe places, so that no one could gain access to your funds, and keep these phrases in such place where you can gain access to your files. I will teach you in later videos that how you can keep your key phrases and passwords safe. Cryptocurrency transfer with the help of blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency needs internet for its working, and it can be traced by authorities. Blockchain contain all the transaction details of the wallet. It provides all the records of transactions from a blockchain wallet. So all the transactions through blockchain technology are traceable by authorities, while it lacks the name of the wallet owner. The real money goes to the cryptocurrency miners because they are giving power to the system. Mining machines work as the bank manager and verify all the transactions through crypto. So as a reward of these mining, the miners get a reward in cryptocurrency as they are giving power to the system. We just download a crypto miner software, and this software use our computer energy to solve the mathematical equations of the cryptocurrency and generate the cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. Well, this time, I am not going to the complications of mining structure here. We will discuss all about mining in the later videos. Stay tuned with me on this channel. I will be back with new lectures soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.